Oh. What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna try a new art challenge. So I've been seeing this challenge on TikTok recently. It's called a pause OC challenge. You're pretty much assigned these traits and elements at random and you have to figure out how to put them all into an OC. So we're gonna just pull up Procreate right here. But while I'm doing that, I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret real quick. I've been working on an art book and I'll definitely let you guys know when I have more details on that, but that's the reason why I've been away for a little bit. Don't worry, I've not abandoned my art babies. I love you guys. All right, so I've got Procreate right here. I've got TikTok right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get assigned some elements to include in our character drawings. Should be exciting. Pause. Okay, so a character with 4 arms. Amazing. I'm not sure if they specify the gender of the character, but I'm gonna assume, actually I shouldn't assume. All right, so that's the body. That's the body of our character. What's next? All right, next up we've got hair. Pause. Oh my goodness, really fluffy hair. It looks like there's bangs at the front here. That makes my life easier actually. The more hair you have, the less of the face you have to draw. It's good, it's time saving. When in doubt, just draw so much hair that you can't see the character. Eyes. Okay, nice and round eyes. I like that, something normal. Pretty normal so far. Next up, we've got accessories. Pause. Oh my God, I'm too slow. My age is showing. Okay. Pause. 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 What is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, well, it looks like a heart. There's some chains. All right, that's cool. What's next? Pause. But what is that? What is that? Do it again. Do it again. Do it. No prop. That's good. I like that. Actually, do I like that? Here, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. 3, 2, 1, pause. We're not doing a prop. This challenge is not going well so far. Close. Pause. Ooh. Yeah, we can work with that. We can work with that. Okay, I'm a little bit stumped about how the anatomy is supposed to work for 4 arms. How do you draw a character with 4 arms? Okay, now the t-shirt is gonna hang over her shoulders. Which shoulder? Okay, so when she has 4 arms, does she have 4 sleeves or just 1 sleeve? You guys see, this is why I love these random TikTok challenges. They just make you do the wildest things. OC trait, okay. Shy. She's just like me. I like that this challenge gives you a personality trait because that can actually change the way you draw your character. That can change the pose, the expression. Maybe she's shy because she has 4 arms. So I'm gonna have the hand kind of like going over the bottom half of her face, kind of covering it up. I don't know, maybe in this universe, having 4 arms is not widely accepted and she's a little bit insecure about it. Her story could be about overcoming and finding a place where she belongs. Maybe she finds more people who also have 4 arms and together they have a bit of a community. Color scheme. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot that. That's a nice one. Okay, so that was all the prompts. So now comes the part where we have to use this color scheme to make our character look a little bit more polished. And then what's the skin color? Is there a skin color? There's no skin color. Okay, I guess you just do. Okay, now I'm gonna start a new layer, create a clipping mask, make sure that what I paint doesn't go outside of the silhouette. All right, I might just go with the red hair because I think it works a little bit better in this case, as opposed to like a more muted color for the hair. That's just part of the thought process here. I just want something to frame the face so you kind of focus on it. Now there is that greenish bluish color, which is kind of complementary to the red color. So, I'm dying. What this does is it's basically creating a complementary color scheme between the hair and the t-shirt. You know what they say, when in doubt, try it out. Master Ugwe. Now she might be the first 4-armed OC that I've ever drawn. Like, bro, 4 arms, imagine the grocery trips from the car to the house. Are you kidding me? But even then, you still probably can't carry the weight of living in this economy. She's also got a bit of a darker, more muted red on her design. I'm thinking we could just do like a design on her t-shirt, kind of incorporate that in here. Again, kind of bringing together the 2 complementary colors, the red and the green. We're gonna turn this into a full body drawing because I feel like just doing a bust doesn't necessarily do this design justice. right, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna finish this off with some details on her face just so you can read the character a little bit better. All right, guys, there we go. There's our first character. I actually really like how this one turned out. Who would have thought? I came in here with zero expectations, but look at that. It's kind of cool. All right, what do you guys say we try another one? Start from the beginning. 3, 2, 1, pause. A furry? No, no. We'll do it again. Pause. This is not, guess if you try twice and it's still this, then you gotta go with it, I guess. I guess no matter how hard you try to fight the furry, it's always gonna find you. So let's do it. Let's make let's make a bunny. Guys, why do I do YouTube? It's fine. Everything is fine. Just for the record, I'm not using any references as I'm drawing this. But if you are an art baby, I do highly recommend that if you're drawing something that you're not familiar with, like a bunny lady, use references, okay? The ears are taking up too much room. Hang on. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Welcome to episode 1 of Sam Does Furry. You know, we're gonna keep an open mind because you never know what you might learn by drawing something new. All right, what's next? Hair. Pause. Okay, that's not bad. Could be worse. All right, let's see what else we can add to this abomination. Eyes. Ooh, okay, very pale eyes. I don't know, maybe I should just axe this video, restart the shoot. This is really how I want to be remembered. Okay, we have the eyes, accessories. Okay, okay. Piercings are cool. All right, there we go. That's pretty good. Next, prop. What is that? What am I supposed to do with that? Is that a cloud of fart? Your character is supposed to be holding fart? Be realistic here. Be realistic here. Do it again. What is that? It's a skull. Oh my God. That's perfect. Behold, the skull of my enemy. And pause for clothes. Oh my God. No. She's naked. I'm gonna retire. I mean, I would scrap this video, but we've already been shooting for like an hour, so. Okay, OC trait. Grumpy. Color scheme. Pause. Oh. Hey, that's pretty nice. Okay, so there's a good color here for the skin tone. This is just like a really neutral kind of yellowish color. I think we'll make this light pinkish color the color for the costume, just like that. The even lighter neutral color we're gonna use for the sleeves. Oh yeah, and that color actually also works for the skull. That's great. For the hair, maybe we can go with this teal. Now I'm gonna just render this out a bit more, bring up the saturation in some areas, add a little bit more detail to the line art. Now bringing a lighter color here into the middle, because if you look at most animals, they have fur that's lighter on the bottom. So if you look at like a deer, for example, their belly fur is gonna be lighter than their back fur. It's just all part of their camouflage. And if you're gonna be drawing a furry character, you might as well go all out. Now I can say I've drawn a furry character and hopefully I've drawn her well. Guys, this is funny to you right now, but this is my life. This is my life. Okay, so a little bit of subsurface scattering in the ear, of course. That's pretty good, actually. I'm surprised. All right, so now for the even smaller details. Now, if you guys notice in my process, I always work from the big things, like the big color blocking, the overall sketch, and then after I have all of that laid out, I start going into smaller bits. That's because, you know, in general, you just want to work from big to small. So you have an idea of where you're going, because if you start getting hyper-focused on all the small things, you might just lose your way. And then, you know, when you finally zoom back out, next thing you know, you end up like me, you've got a furry. Oh my God. Some highlights into the eyes right there, just like that. There we go. There's our second OC. She's a bunny and no regrets. I can confidently say that I've drawn a furry now. Now I'm gonna go back in my own time and kind of do a more rendered version of these characters, and that's what you guys will be seeing right now. Anyways, that's pretty good. Do I recommend this OC challenge on TikTok? Absolutely not. Hope you guys enjoyed watching Sam Does Furry. If you want to see more content just like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, right? It's just a TikTok challenge. It can't hurt me. It can't hurt me.